welcome back to my channel. So I'm just editing my video and I found out that I didn't do an intro on it. So here I am, just saying hi, and let's get into the video. So here's my dried dustpan, and I want to try and pull my skin off. Very gentle. Don't want to rip it. There you go. Completely clean. No paint. It's all here. And now I can use this beauty to either embellish another pour or maybe make some jewelry. This is how the underside looks. Not as pretty, but this side is really pretty. So I'm just gonna put it on some baking paper so it won't stick to it, and I can store it for however long I want and for when I want to use it. Hope you like this short little video. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone!